straight away I'd like to say hope everyone's well. It's a very bizarre worldwide situation going on at the moment, and hope everyone's staying safe and yeah, staying home as much as you possibly can. Now because of this virus, everything's shut down at the moment, including my work, so I've got more time on my hands, so I thought I'd take the opportunity to record a Q&A, well, the start of a Q&A anyway. So if you guys have got any questions at all you want to ask me, please do put it in the comment section down below. I'll leave the comment section open for about 5 days, get plenty of comments in if there are any at all. Hopefully there are. And then I'll obviously answer them in the next video. I want to say a huge thank you to all the people who have subscribed and watched the latest video. I know every YouTuber says this and it's a very cliche thing to say about liking, subscribing, comments, all that stuff. It does actually help. It just makes sure the video is pushed to more and more people so you get more of an audience. So yeah, honestly, it does help, so thank you. I'm not going to ramble on, just let you guys put some questions in the comment section below, but I am going to answer one question before I go. That's not an Alfa Romeo, it's an SVX.
Subscribe, you fools.